Welcome to Review Lab. The best rocking lawn chairs is probably one of the most versatile and comfortable additions you can make to your outdoor living space, offering a gentle, soothing motion that transforms any patio, deck, or garden into a personal oasis of relaxation, perfect for enjoying a quiet morning coffee, reading a book, or simply soaking in the sunshine with unparalleled ease and style. Number 5. Outsunny 2-piece outdoor rocking chair set. Introducing a chic set of outdoor rocking chairs, perfect for any patio, deck, or balcony. They are an excellent addition to your outdoor living space. These chairs are incredibly easy to set up, move, and store thanks to their fast-folding design. Take them anywhere your adventures lead, from camping to the beach. Experience optimum comfort with an elastic rope suspension system that reduces muscle tension. They provide the perfect balance for a relaxing sit. Built with powder-coated steel, these chairs are resistant to water and weather. They offer a high weight capacity despite their portable size. When folded, these chairs are incredibly compact, making them easy to store and transport. Enjoy convenience without sacrificing comfort. What we like. This set is perfect for couples or small families wanting to enjoy the outdoors together. Its fast-folding design makes it incredibly convenient for spontaneous trips. If you're looking for a practical and comfortable seating solution for your patio or deck, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy, perfect for my patio. Easy to assemble and looks great in my garden. The rocking feature is smooth and relaxing. Number 4. Best Choice Products Outdoor Zero Gravity Rocking Chair. Experience ultimate relaxation with our innovative rocking system. Simply latch it to find your perfect position, and enjoy a smooth, weight-adjusting motion. This chair is designed for your convenience. It arrives fully assembled and folds easily, making it perfect for your backyard, the beach, or your next camping adventure. Crafted with durable, UV-resistant mesh and a sturdy steel frame, it's built to last. Enjoy optimal support and a uniquely comfortable sitting experience, season after season. Sink into pure comfort with its adjustable headrest, elevated armrests, and elastic mesh. It provides weightless support for maximum relaxation. Choose from a large assortment of vibrant colors to perfectly match your style. It's designed to complement any outdoor aesthetic. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds and a robust construction, it offers reliable support for all your lounging needs. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with its zero-gravity recline and adjustable headrest. This chair is ideal for anyone who prioritizes comfort and wants to unwind completely. If you're seeking a chair that feels like floating, perfect for the beach or a lazy afternoon in the garden, this is the one for you. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and comfortable, perfect for my patio. Easy to assemble and looks great in my garden. The rocking mechanism is smooth and provides a relaxing experience. Number 3. FUNDANGO Big Curved Rocking Camping Chair. Introducing a rocking camping chair designed for ultimate relaxation. Its specially engineered foot poles provide stable support, allowing you to sit or recline smoothly and safely, perfect for any outdoor adventure or backyard chill. Experience superior comfort with a high back that supports your shoulders and neck. The included pillow offers adjustable head support, and the convenient armrests free your hands for a more relaxed experience. Crafted from durable Oxford cloth and breathable mesh, this chair keeps you comfortable even on warm days. Keep your essentials close with built-in mesh pockets and dual cup holders. Constructed with a thick steel frame and a stable triangle structure, it reliably supports up to 300 pounds. The large, non-slip feet ensure stability on various terrains, making it a safe choice for all your seating needs. This chair folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. Its lightweight design and included storage bag make it your ideal companion for camping, picnics, or simply enjoying your backyard. What we like. This chair offers superior comfort with its high back and pillow, plus the convenience of 2 cup holders. It's designed for those who enjoy extended periods of relaxation outdoors. If you're a camper, picnicker, or simply someone who likes to have their essentials within reach while enjoying a gentle rock, this chair is a fantastic companion. What people say. The chairs are very comfortable and sturdy. Easy to assemble and looks great on my patio. The rocking motion is smooth and relaxing. Number 2. iClimb Padded Folding Rocking Chair. Experience ultimate convenience with this chair. It folds compactly, making it easy to transport and store, fitting perfectly in your car. Sink into the fully padded seat and back, crafted from durable, wear-resistant fabric. The breathable mesh ensures comfort even on warm days. Enjoy a gentle, relaxing rocking motion that lets you unwind and soak in the beautiful surroundings. Built with a sturdy, anti-rust steel frame, it reliably supports up to 300 pounds, offering a stable and secure seating experience. Setting up this chair is incredibly quick and easy. No tools are needed, allowing you to relax in no time. Keep your essentials close with the built-in cup holder and arm pocket. The armrests also make it easy to get in and out. Perfect for any outdoor adventure or relaxing at home, from camping trips to backyard gatherings. It's truly a versatile companion. What we like? Enjoy plush comfort with its fully padded design and robust construction, backed by a lifetime warranty. This chair is built for durability and long-lasting comfort. If you value a chair that is both incredibly comfortable and reliably sturdy for years of use on your patio or during travels, this option offers great peace of mind. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and sturdy, perfect for relaxing on the patio. Easy to assemble and looks great in my garden. The rocking mechanism is smooth and quiet. Number 1. Best Choice Products Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs, Cobalt Blue. Experience unparalleled comfort with our Zero Gravity Lounge Chairs. They smoothly glide into an ergonomic position, perfectly adjusting to your body's weight. Enjoy the convenience of a lightweight, foldable design. These chairs are perfect for any outdoor adventure, from the beach to the park. Never be without your essentials thanks to the detachable tray. It features cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder for your convenience. These chairs are constructed for durability, featuring a high weight capacity and flexible, low-wear fabric. They are designed for lasting quality and enjoyment. Customize your comfort with the included removable, padded headrest. Find your perfect relaxation spot with these versatile lounge chairs. What we like? Get double the comfort and convenience with this set of 2 chairs, each featuring a detachable tray and zero-gravity recline. It's perfect for couples or anyone who enjoys having their drinks and devices close by while lounging. If you're looking for a comfortable, feature-rich seating solution for your patio or outdoor events, this set provides excellent value and functionality. What people say. This rocking chair is very comfortable and sturdy, perfect for my patio. The assembly was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes. The design is classic and fits well with my outdoor decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.